Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial where we will explain you how you can invite Workspace members in Trello. Let's jump into it. First, open your browser and head over to trello.com, then click on Login. You can either use your email or log in with your Google account, whichever is easier for you. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Trello homepage. Head over to the Workspaces section and select the board where you want to add members. Inside the board, locate the workspace settings usually found at the top or on the sidebar. This is where you'll manage everything related to your team and members. Click on Invite Workspace Members. You'll have two options. First, you can generate an invite link. Click the button to create it, then copy and share the link with anyone you want to add. Second, you can invite people by their email or Trello username. Just start typing, select the correct person, and hit Send Invite, and that's it. You've now added new members to your Trello workspace. It's quick, easy, and helps boost team collaboration.